I am sitting under the shadow of a lovely swing and observing the sun with the Meade ETX90, the old version with a clock drive. Huge number of the sunspots visible. I'm using the Televue Panoptic 24 millimeter on the Meade ETX90, the old version with a clock drive. I hope the image is in focus. The screen is sun is shining on it, and it's difficult to actually see if it is sharp enough or is in focus. I hope it is in focus. And this is the Cemex, Meade Cemex Coronado Cemex 25 millimeter eyepiece. And as you can see, I have now processed some of the images a little bit, on the mobile phone, nothing special. And these are the sunspot group numbers. These are quite huge. At least four groups are visible in this in today. So I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like for regular updates.